What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, like, follow, share, hit the notification button, thumbs up, comment down below. Make sure to go follow me on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and Discord. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch. And I have another one over here. It's a Nintendo Switch. So this is actually like the, and then this is the rest of the stuff. So first we're going to move on with this stuff right here first. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you. And then it has the Nintendo Switch logo. Like I said, make sure to subscribe, like, follow, share, hit the notification button, thumbs up, comment down below. Make sure to go follow me on YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, and Discord. And my stuff is in the links on my profile. Just go on my YouTube profile and go to links, and it should show you all my 4 platforms that I stream on. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, and if you want to be part of my YouTube community, you gotta subscribe to me and hit the notification bell because I go daily 24/7. This is an unboxing video, by the way, just to let you know, chat. And if you're new to the live stream, welcome in. So today, we got this is the Nintendo Switch pocket thingy to like golf or whatever, to hold the sticks. This is the charging cable. It says Nintendo Switch under. That's charging cable. And this is the HDMI. Then this is a Nintendo Switch remote. It's Pokemon. And I have a Dragon Ball Z box. Oh, actually, no. Actually, I'm going to put that back in there. And then this is the Nintendo Switch thing. Nintendo Switch thingy. That shows you. And it has all the AC, USB, and HDMI. And that's everything you need. And then you got these little things right here, made for Nintendo Switch. So that's that. You got another one right here. So that's that. Like I said, that's that. And then you got the Nintendo Switch remote. Yeah. I'm gonna show you the other thing. Oops. Then this is the Nintendo Switch. Oh, it's kind of like old and rusty a little bit, guys. Sorry about that. It's because when I take it everywhere, it kind of like is fading off of it. But anyways, this is that. And then that even has a Nintendo Switch logo on it. This right here. So I'm gonna show you something real quick. Boom, Nintendo Switch. You open it up, boom. This is Dragon Ball Z. I put that on there. I have my Dragon Ball Z thing down there. Because I bought another case for it because I want to switch it out. But I might stick to this one. So here's the Nintendo Switch. Here's the... Here's my YouTube channel, by the way, chat. If you didn't know about my YouTube. If you want to search me up on YouTube, all you gotta do is... All you gotta do is... Okay, so this right here is my YouTube channel. That's me. So that's my YouTube channel. That's my YouTube channel. You're gonna see my TikTok and you're gonna see me in there. You're gonna see that. What up, guys? It's your boy DC Young Savage. We're doing a car meet in GTA Online. That's actually one of my old videos. Only friends invite. I didn't know we were doing a car meet, but we are. And I bring out my Christine. That's my old video, my old channel. My Christine car. But those are all the people. Those are all the people I used to play with. Go follow me on YouTube and Twitch. My YouTube channel, Dylan DC Choppa. My Twitch, Dylan Choppa. Hit that notification button, hit the thumbs up, comment down below. Hit that like button. Actually, I gotta watch the rest of this. So here's all the games I got. Yeah. Anyways. So here's the whole setup. Okay, guys, and then here is another thing, is the little like, I don't know if you can see that, the little chip inside, and it says Nintendo Switch on it. I don't know if you can see that. It says Nintendo Switch on it. Yeah. And then here's the one with all the games, the video games in it. It says Nintendo Switch, and you could tell it has all the games in it because these are all my games. Yeah. And then the little chip, the little tiny chip, which is like so tiny because once you open it, boom, right there. It's tiny though, you know what I'm saying? It's little. This is actually supposed to go in here, but I put my games in there. And then, I don't know if I have any games in this console. I don't think let me see. No, I don't have no games in there. But I do have, oh, and I can stand up too if it wants. To stand up like that. It has a kickstand in the back. But yes. So that's my new console. Well, no, actually, the PC is my new console. I am gonna do an unboxing video on the PS5 if I can find my box and unbox it for you. So I do an unboxing video. But that's one unboxing video. So I'm just letting you know. I will make sure to subscribe, like, follow, share, hit the notification button, thumbs up, comment down below.